This Lamborghini came on a tow truck, battery's bad. And yeah, when the batteries go bad on this car, this whole car starts to act crazy. Got a million lights like a Christmas tree on the dash. So we have a new battery in right now. We're gonna put it in and tow this thing right back to the customer's house.
Bad to say about it, huh?
Yeah, of course.
This is a nice one.
So which one will you choose? This one or the Ferrari SF90?
Ferrari SF90.
I like that. That's a smart move.
Yeah, Ferrari SF90 for sure.
Different look.
It's gotta be somebody. Let's see. It might be somebody that we know. Let's see who's in this Rolls Royce.
You don't know.
We don't know who he is. It's funny because every exotic car that passes the shop or that's around the shop, we feel like they're either our clients or our friends, or yeah, I mean somebody we know, but it doesn't always work out that way. We have no idea who this guy is. I guess we didn't have to do a reset on this car. Everything's fine. The battery, the bad battery just got this car going crazy. It died instantly while the customer was driving, which is very scary because it happened to me on the way inside the shop, right as soon as it got off the tow truck. If the battery is bad, obviously, I mean, this thing just stops, it locks, and then it stays on neutral. And then when it stays on neutral, sometimes the brake pedal locks up too. So the customer almost literally couldn't, I mean, he couldn't stop the car after the battery's dead. The car was rolling back, so he got lucky. I don't know what happened after that, but it's done. We put a new battery, good to go. No lights, car is back to normal.
Drives like a maniac, bro. Scared the shit out of me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, big competition.
Same color. Wish. Get out of the shot. Alright, so brand new red eye in that special color green again. We are doing a 765 LT also currently. We were unable to finish because we're painting all the gray parts in black. It's taking a long time, there's so many parts. But we finished up the red eye. Looks amazing in this color, honestly. This is lowered and wrapped. That's it for now. We have more planned for it. The roof is wrapped in gloss black. This color, I like it more and more every time we wrap a car. I might have to do my car, I don't know. What do you guys think? It's super fast. You guys already know it's faster than Sarkis X6M. There's a Huracan back there. I don't know who it belongs to. It's just parked at the gas station. I forgot what color they call that. It's not Verde Ethica. It's not highlighter. It's another name, Verde something. Maybe Verde Scandal, I'm not sure. But it's like a highlighter green color, yellowish green. Very bright compared to this. I like this way better, honestly. You guys let us know which green you like better.
Bro, you cannot even peel out. You can't even do a normal peel out. You don't know even how to do a peel out. Do a manly peel out, not a wussy one. You want me to teach you how to do a burnout?
Bro, you drive a fucking egg-looking 4-wheel drive X6M. Shut up.
But without car, you still can't do a peel out. You have this car, you cannot do a peel out. That's a shame. Look, YouTube people, you cannot even do a burnout. No.
What's a peel out, you idiot?
Burnout, peel out, same thing. Burnout, peel out, same thing.
What the fuck did I just do?
You cannot even do a normal one. There is no cup, you can do it. Burnout, do it. He's gonna do it, I think.
Not feeling it, you moron.
Little preview of the brown Urus right here, wide body. The hood, we don't have enough wrap left over from the printed vinyl, unfortunately. This is a custom printed brown, and our guys accidentally wrapped the stock hood. So we're gonna throw on the stock hood for video's sake and shoot it with the stock hood, but it does have the full carbon vented hood. Tomorrow morning, put the stock hood on, Luis.
Again?
Yeah, the one you messed up on and didn't put from the beginning, and they wrapped the wrong hood because of you. That one.
Because me.
Yeah, because you.
That wasn't my fault.
You were supposed to put the carbon fiber hood on the car. You didn't do it, and they wrapped the wrong hood.
They wrapped the wrong hood. So what's my fault?
Yes. The wrap guys are not very bright, but you, I was expecting a little more.
Yeah, that.
For that, you're not gonna get the new shirt.
You got any shoes though? I use it for my bike.
What is that?
Huh? Nike, bro. See, I can buy, pero no right now. Ah, come on.
I asked you to bring the car, and I asked Moses to bring the car.
Bro, he wasn't the car
How
already.
lazy are you?
It's not about lazy. You told him already. You tell 3 people to do something.
Yeah, because out of 3, 1 person finally does it. Because you're never gonna do it.
I wish there was a clock on your head. 2 minutes ago, you said bring the Urus to the back. You're here and there's no
He
Urus.
told 3 people to bring the car.
Okay? And
3
none of you
people.
guys did it because the car's not here yet.
The car is coming. We need doctor ASAP. Diffuser. Come on. If it was me, he will kill me already. He ordered diffuser. It's almost month and a half. If it was me, he will make a big deal out of it and kill me. Vic does everything. Mano doesn't do anything.
I'm gonna change my name to RV Wick.
Already. No.
Or Bick.
Big, big,
For him, it's Big. For him, it's Wick. Big and Wick.
big. Go ahead. Oh, this f***er caught it. Look, brand new G's with a knife.
Show us a little bit, and that's it. Okay. Yes!
Hey, first of all, why do you have a money clip
brown
with no
Urus-
money in it?
The brown Urus is not here.
Yeah, you guys took all my money.
Still here, and the brown Urus is still not here.
And that's why we ran out of money clips. He has 4 of them.
Bro, Moses,
He doesn't have $4.
bro, Moses is like driving right there. He's driving.
Yeah, but Moses goes on a test drive and talks on the phone.
Yeah, that's true.
But you talk on the phone
Yeah,
here.
in here. At least I just like here. I don't just hide.
The whole YouTube thinks I hate you. I don't hate you.
No, he does hate me.
How much you smoke today?
We're looking for a doctor.
How many cigarettes did you smoke today? We're looking for a body shop manager. No? How many cigarettes did you smoke today?
Pack and a half. Yeah, pack and a half.
Preferably one that doesn't smoke 2 packs a day of
So
cigarettes.
we're looking for a doctor. Make sure he's professional and
Who's gonna hire the doctor? You are?
yeah, I'll
With
pay
what
for it.
money?
No, we don't need it.
All right, guys, we are standing in front of this beautiful chocolate wide body Urus. 1016 Industries kit again. This is number, I don't know, 14, 15. We're doing another wide body at the shop right now. This is the home of Uruses, as you guys already know. There's a lot of shops out there claiming #1 Urus shop, king of Urus, whatever. I mean, facts right here. This is a fully custom printed chocolate brown color. No metallic on this one. Jeffree Star's brown you guys saw was a metallic version of this. This is a little bit darker. This is a solid brown. Really cool colorway. You're gonna have many people think it's Travis Scott's, but it's not. Travis Scott did not invent the color brown, just like we didn't invent the fade wraps. So don't give us heat on that. This is, I would say, a little bit darker than Travis Scott's color. Travis Scott's car is also paint. This is a wrap. Veloz 24-inch wheels right there. 24 by 13s in the back, ridiculous. 24 by 11 in the front. Special tires, hard to get. Car's lowered. It's not slammed like my car because the customer didn't want it slammed like that, but it is lowered pretty well. The stance is pretty nice. We're happy with that. You guys saw us talk about the hood. Luis did not put the carbon fiber hood on when they were wrapping it. So the wrap guys, they wrapped the stock hood. As you see, it's on there right now. And we didn't want to film it with the black carbon hood because I didn't think it looked good. So we went ahead and put the stock hood back on, which is wrap. We're waiting for our wrap guy to print out the custom color again, which is very hard to do. So he's printing it again. We're gonna do that hood and then put it back on. This is a brand new 2021 Urus. Has about 90 miles on it. Came straight to us, of course, to do the wide body. And this is what you get. You get the ultimate SUV when you bring it to RDB. So hope you guys enjoy it. Another wide body Urus. All right, guys, I am holding the limited edition monthly t-shirt. This is for the month of June. It's available out now. Last time we sold out in a day or two on the Aventador shirt. I'm sure we're gonna sell out this one. This one's very special because it's the first time we did the big font in the front for the limited shirt, and the back is this beast. As you can see, the Ferrari cutout, and this is in that 3D design color. It looks 3D-ish, it's really cool. Little RDB there. As usual, the limited t-shirt comes with a carbon fiber tag, and it also comes with 2 stickers. So get on the website. Sarkis, will this fit? He almost ran into a dog.
Really? Sorry.
It's okay, no dogs like him. It's okay.
Hey, Molly. Molly.
He likes you, that's what's good.
Oh my God. Molly. Molly.
Like,